Bunds or weirs are structures made in streams to retain water. However, when they are made, they also start retaining silt and sand and debris which flows from upstream. This silt and sand and debris over a period of time reduce the water holding capacity of the reservoir. Moreover, the water that flows over the bund starts eroding the bund. Then a time comes when these bunds topple and the surrounding area gets affected by flood. In order that this should does not happen, we have made a device, a structure called removable bund. These removable bunds have a very tiny concrete base into which are fitted steel supports. These supports have structural elements which can be erected after the main rainfall is over, and then onto these structures the plates are fitted. These plates help in retaining water after the monsoon. As a result, the stream bed has water up to the height of these plates. Before the next monsoon, the plates are removed and kept away safely. As a result, during rainy season, such bunds do not create floods, they do not obstruct the flow of debris or silt or clay or sand. There is no obstruction to the rising fish which go up the stream for spawning. As a result, these are very effective, eco friendly kind of bunds. Such bunds can be erected practically on every stream. If we can do them under each bridge on a stream will become a bund. There are at least about 4 lakh bridges in India. These 4 lakh bridges have streams flowing under them. All that is needed is for the surrounding community to make efforts to place the blinds, the plates after the monsoon